Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. The shipping box was too big, so want to thank Nodus Watches for loaning this over for us to check out. This is a tour watch, so I'll be sending it back after the video here. It is the Retrospect, and the gentleman I talked to said that it is a cosmic gray dial. It's the gray on the website is called something a little bit different, so maybe just a mix up in terminology, not really sure there, but let's check it out. So I have had, in the past, I have had some Retrospects. Actually, I think I still have one. I had a Gen 1, a Gen 2, and a Gen 3 before they had the Node X clasp on it. I had one of those. Sold them off a while ago, but anyway. Let's check this thing out. I do like this gray dial. It looks very nice. It's got a sunburst effect to it. It does have the domed sapphire crystal, and I believe this is ceramic, and it has the reverse cone shape to it. Normally they slope outwards. This one slopes inwards, and that kind of harkens back to older designs as well. So a cool thing about Nodus is, of course, the watches are designed in the U.S., but they design the watches in Los Angeles, and they also assemble and regulate them in Los Angeles as well. I'm pretty sure it's the Seiko NH35 movement. 36, I think, has day date. 35 has just the date. I used to remember all that stuff. I guess I'm getting old. So anyway, let's see what it says on the case back. Maybe it tells us the movement. Los Angeles. If I get it with my eyes, maybe I can read it a little easier. Now we can discover together what it says on the case back. Nodus watches. Designed, assembled, Los Angeles. Water resistance 200, stainless steel. All right, so of course you do see the quick release pins here. I do appreciate that. Also has the drilled lugs, so that's even nicer. I think you could get away without the quick release pins if you have the drilled lugs, but not going to complain that it has both. Solid links, female end links. That's nice. And let me zoom back out. So I do like the dual pushers instead of the old with the safety clasp and all that stuff. For example, my SPX has a stamp clasp. You got that to flip over, and then you flip that over. So very nice. So let me know what you think of the styling of this watch. I really like it. So a little bit big for my small wrist, but I think I could still manage it. The crown is nice and large as well. No crown guards. I like that look. So very cool. So first pop out, we're in hand winding. Getting distracted by that dial. I like that gray sunburst. I'm typically just a plain glossy black or matte black dial, but the sunburst, this gray, I like. I need to find my other Nodus. Maybe I'll compare them side by side. Okay, now we have a pop out there for the time set. Yeah, second hand to stop, so it's a hacking movement. Alright, I think I should be out of the danger zone. This should be the date set. Yep. So this has a sandwich dial as well. If you don't know what that is, basically the loom is below the dial, and then the dial is cut out for the loom to show through, and also that date window is loomed as well. Alright, let's screw the crown back down. See what else is in here. So just the extra links. I might have to remove some, maybe not, we'll see. Oh, you know, I didn't finish looking at the clasp here. So this has the new Node X clasp, so it's kind of on the fly adjustment. I should say a tool-less adjustment. Not totally on the fly since you need to remove it from your wrist, but you just push that down and then you can extend that out. Let's see if you can push it. Nope, so you can't just push it back in, you got to push the button to push that back in. So all right, let's see what else is in this box. I don't know if there's going to be an extra strap or what. Nope, so it looks like the warranty card here. So kind of cool packaging. Okay, let me compare this to my SKX and then we'll get it on wrist and close out the video here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out here. I believe this is a 42 or 43, I don't remember. I know the bezel does overhang a decent amount, so that's nice. Easier to get a grip on that bezel, and then it doesn't wear quite as large on your wrist. SKX is 42 by 46. So let's get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. So maybe a tad big on my 6.5-inch wrist. It's not overly big, so I mean I'd still be okay with wearing it. I just for a little bit smaller watch, I think my Black Bay 58 is just about perfect for my wrist. Man, that gray dial is very cool. I don't think I have any watches with gray dials, so I do like that little pop of color there. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.